Hello everyone. I wanted to go over our professional resume assignment and the expectations for the assignment. If you scroll through the module, you can see there are a few items here that will help you create your resume and some tips and activities here to help you utilize some action verbs for your resume and things like that. This assignment is to help you create a professional resume and letter of interest that will basically give you that leverage to get you the interview. I understand that many of you have already obtained employment within the field as student technologists, and congratulations to you for that. But look at this assignment as an additional resource for your future prospective jobs that you may have interest in. If you scroll down to the actual assignment tab, you will see I have listed, the expectations. You will complete a letter of interest and a professional resume. I have provided also the items which should be included within the resume, plus two examples here of what the cover letter and the resume, an ideal resume and cover letter would look like. Also, you will be asked to make an appointment with the Career Services Center so that they can review your resume and cover letter. And I do believe that they conduct all these interviews, or I shouldn't say interview, but it would be like a Zoom meeting for you guys to go over that information. So don't stress over having to, create an appointment and go face to face. I believe they do them all over Zoom. I have also provided a link down here to where you would fill out the to schedule that appointment with the Career Services Center. The last thing you will do is complete a mock interview with the departmental manager of the clinical site you are currently attending. So, if you are at Sussex, you need to make an appointment with Mabel. If you're at Kent, you need to make an appointment with Joyce. Or BB, it would be Josh. Or Tidal Health, you need to make an appointment with Peter Rosen. And they will conduct that mock interview with you. If you go back up to item number 4, you can see I've provided a link for the copy of the mock interview rubric. You can take a copy of that with you, and when the manager completes the rubric, just have them scan that in and send it to me via email. Is just fine. You're not to bring this back to me. Just let them do that, and they know that they need to do that for me. Let's go back to your assignment. I'm sorry about that. Due dates. So first we will have a presentation class on January 24th at 8:30, and the Career Services lady Debbie Fees will come over and provide for you what an ideal professional resume and cover letter should contain. On March 5th, your letter of interest and professional resume is due in D2L to me. Also on March 5th, I would like for you to have submitted to me via email or in the comment when you submit your assignment. your date for your mock interview. Obviously, these all should be completed prior to the end of the semester, but I would say that, get a date as soon as possible so you can complete this assignment ASAP. That is pretty much it for me. I just want to remind you to make an appointment for the Career Services Center to review your resume and cover letter. It's an easy 5 points, and I'm really encouraging you to do so because I really want to provide you with the best professional resume and cover letter to just help you as you either move on, like I said, or you're looking for that position in one of the campuses that you currently go to. So good luck with the assignment. If there's any questions, concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Like I said, on January 24th, we will be meeting and having a presentation at the college here from the Career Services Center. So any questions about the assignment, we can address then as well. Good luck with the assignment, and yep, have a good day.